Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best wireless outdoor security camera. Number 1. AOSU Tracking. Experience complete home security without monthly fees or hidden charges. This advanced surveillance system includes 32 gigabytes of encrypted local storage, providing up to 2 months of video loop recording. No subscription required. Even if the cameras are lost or damaged, your data remains secure at the home base. Stay informed with instant notifications and enjoy smooth, reliable live streaming. Innovative features enhance your control, including cross-camera tracking that automatically links events across devices for easier playback, and multi-view streaming that allows you to monitor up to 4 areas simultaneously on a single screen. You can also manage multiple cameras with one-click control for seamless operation. Designed for long-term, worry-free performance, the built-in solar panel keeps the system powered with just 3 hours of sunlight per day, even in cloudy conditions. Easy to install with only 3 drill holes, it's up and running in minutes. The pan and tilt function provides 360 degrees coverage with automatic motion tracking to eliminate blind spots and ensure nothing goes unnoticed. Capture every detail in stunning 2K resolution, day or night. 4 built-in LED lights enhance visibility, delivering superior color night vision to keep your property protected around the clock. Number 2. AOSU Subscription. Ensure total home protection with an ultra-wide 166 degrees viewing angle that eliminates blind spots and maximizes security coverage. Monitor multiple outdoor cameras simultaneously with a live view on a single screen, giving you complete visibility and control over your property. Enjoy peace of mind with secure, encrypted local storage. 32 gigabytes built-in storage offers up to 4 months of loop recording without subscription fees, and footage can be accessed remotely via the included hub. Stay informed and respond faster with smart alerts that distinguish between people arriving, passing by, or lingering near your home. A preview image is included with every alert, allowing for quick threat assessment and action. Capture every detail clearly with true 2K resolution and full-color night vision, enhanced by an integrated spotlight for identifying faces or license plates, even in low light. Experience the freedom of wire-free installation and extended performance with a long-lasting battery that supports up to 240 days on a single charge. Asterisk intelligent features like camera-to-camera tracking automatically sync related footage across multiple devices for seamless review. With just one tap in the app, you can instantly manage all your camera's status, making home security simple, smart, and effortless. Asterisk actual battery life may vary based on usage. Number 3. Arlo Vision. Experience next-level outdoor security with a premium wireless system designed to deliver sharp 2K HDR video for unmatched clarity. With 4 cameras included, you can monitor your entire property, inside and out, while enjoying features like two-way audio for real-time communication. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a reliable connection by automatically linking to the strongest available network, keeping your surveillance uninterrupted. Zoom in up to 12x to clearly identify faces, license plates, or details in any lighting condition. High Dynamic Range, HDR, technology captures the brightest whites and darkest blacks for a balanced and vivid view. Stay informed with instant motion alerts, live streaming, and the ability to activate a built-in siren, all from the easy-to-use mobile app. An integrated spotlight and 160 degrees wide field of view ensure full coverage, even in low-light conditions with color night vision. Swappable batteries let you keep your cameras running with minimal downtime. Privacy is a top priority, with built-in protections to keep your personal data secure and under your control. For expanded functionality, a paid subscription offers extended video storage, advanced detection for people, vehicles, packages, animals, and even fire. Enjoy peace of mind with expert support available 24/7 through the app or website. Number 4. Blink Wireless. Keep your home secure with an affordable and reliable wireless smart security system designed for long-lasting performance. Featuring up to 2 years of battery life using AA Energizer lithium batteries, this outdoor camera setup offers peace of mind without the hassle of frequent recharging. The included sync module core ensures a seamless connection, while the easy installation process gets you up and running in just minutes. Enjoy crisp 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision for clear images after dark, and two-way audio so you can see, hear, and speak directly through the mobile app. Enhanced dual-zone motion detection ensures faster, more accurate alerts, while optional person detection powered by computer vision technology is available through a subscription plan for even smarter notifications. While the included sync module core doesn't support local storage, your footage can be safely stored in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the subscription plan. For those who prefer local backup, compatibility with optional modules like Sync Module XR or Sync Module 2 provides flexible storage options. Compatible with Alexa, this system allows voice control for live views and system management. The kit includes 2 cameras, mounting hardware, and all essential accessories to get started. Number 5. AOQEE Outdoor. Enjoy year-round wireless protection with a solar-powered outdoor security system designed for easy installation and reliable performance. The built-in solar panel allows for continuous, eco-friendly charging, no tangled wires or frequent battery changes. Simply press the power button and connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network using the intuitive app setup. Not compatible with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Capture crystal-clear footage in 2K resolution, offering sharper and more detailed images than standard 1080p. A built-in spotlight provides full-color night vision, automatically activating in darkness to illuminate the area and enhance visibility. Equipped with AI-powered human detection, a PAR motion sensor, and an audible alarm, this camera responds to unexpected movement by flashing a spotlight, sounding a siren, and sending instant alerts, ensuring peace of mind even when you're away. Store recordings locally with support for microSD cards up to 128 GB, card not included, or subscribe to cloud storage for added backup options. The two-way audio feature lets you communicate remotely or deter unwanted visitors in real time. Share access with family members through the app and view the camera feed on Alexa-enabled devices. Built to withstand all weather conditions, this system ensures dependable performance rain or shine. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.